Hello and welcome to V Education. Today I'm going to teach you people how to make this diagram in Autodesk Inventor using LOFT command. So basically what we have to do in this diagram is we have to connect the end A, which is this diagram, and end B using LOFT command. So let's go to the Inventor. Start 2D sketch. Select the YZ plane. Select the circle and draw a circle of 50 mm diameter anywhere randomly. So from the center of the circle, draw a line of 80 mm towards the right, and from here a line of 60 mm to the bottom. Now this is center, draw a circle of 50 mm. So this is center, draw a circle of 50 mm. Now select line and draw a random line which you have to make tangent to both the circles. So select tangent, select the line and the circle, and same with the bottom one, and then just simply trim the unwanted part. So trim this and trim this and delete these unwanted lines. Delete this line and this line. Now select the line again. You have to make a line which is tangent to both the circles, like individually, one line over here and one line over here, which is tangent to the circles respectively of 20 mm. So for that, make a line of any random length at the angle of 90 degree, same bottom and up. Now for making it tangent, select the tangent command, click on the line, then on the circle to make it tangent, same above, and now just trim the unwanted part, trim this and trim this. Now select dimension to change the dimension of the line and type 20 mm to make the line of 20 mm, same as the above. And now just trim the unwanted part. So trim this part and this part. Now we made the trajectory, so we are ready to make end A and end B. So just finish the sketch, come on the trajectory. Now come on a plane, normal to access through point, click to the end B to get your plane. So this is a plane where you have to draw the diagram of end B. Now click to the sketch, select your plane for the drawing, and we have to make a ellipse here. So click on circle, select ellipse, select the center over here, and so you can see this line. You have to make it, you have to coincide it with the x-axis, so like this, and you are able to make the ellipse now. So here we made the ellipse. Now we have to change the dimensions. So just click dimension and click anywhere on the ellipse to change the dimension. So just move it. So you can change the dimension of major axis by this. We need a major axis of total 40 mm, so the half should be of 20. So I'm typing 20 over here. Now again click on dimension, click on the ellipse to change the minor axis. So like this, and just type 10 to get the minus axis. Okay. So we completed the part end B part. Now we have to make the diagram at end A. So just again select the plane, normal to an axis through point, select the point, click to get your plane. Now start to the sketch, select your plane to make the sketch. Now over here select circle, make a circle with this end point of the trajectory of 80 mm diameter. So type 80. Now select line from the end of the trajectory to a line of 30 mm bottom. Okay, so 30 over here. Now with this as a center, draw a circle of 50 mm. So 50 mm, and delete this 30 mm line carefully. Delete it. Now select line from taking this as a point, we have to make an arc of 50 mm. So just click over here on the circumference of this above circle, make a line of 25 mm to the right at 0 degrees, and a line of 25 mm from this point towards the left. So we'll get the total 50 over here, and just join this line on the circumference of the circle at 90 degrees. So the same thing you have to do on the small circle, but the arc length will be 20 mm. So with this point, 10 to the right and a line of 10 to the left. Need to connect this line on the circumference of the circle. So over here and over here. Now just we need to trim the unwanted part of the circle. So I'm starting the trim process. Trim this. Now delete these lines. And just connect both the parts with each other using line. So connect this end to this, and this end to this. Now click on finish sketch. Now we are completed with our sketch. We just need to use the LOFT command to connect both of them. So for connecting both end B and end A, click on LOFT command. Just click to add. Select the end A. Just again click to add and select the end B. Now you have to click this middle option, center line option. Click on center line option. Select your trajectory at the center line and just press OK. So as you can see, our diagram is ready. This is the required diagram. I hope you liked the video. So please comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.